This used to be a wall separating the living room from the kitchen area. We have opened up the center to allow a wide open space. This has been facilitated by installing new structural beams. You can see overhead here and overhead here. This is a closed riser stair system. It will have the hardwood finishing of both the treads and the risers. We're also going to have stair lighting installed on both sides to give a nice decorative feature. Over here, where there isn't anything, this is a space where there will be a future staircase going from the living room up to the next floor. This is an open riser stair system, which means that it has to be finished on all four sides, something that's not done very well on the site. So in this case, we've had professionals come out who specialize in that sort of thing, and those stairs will be custom made in a factory to match the wood on the floor.